Where's he at, kid? Here, go get him, all right? Come on. I got it, Homer. Get it, Homer. Here we go, get it, baby. What happened? Hey, stop that. Give me that. Hey, go get it. The troublemaker. No. Yeah. Okay, I'll get it. My God, you're gonna fight. Get it. Uh-oh, there they go. Don't kill each other. Water in the face. Wow, what was that, honey? Did you hear it? Wow, we just got in a big fight. It's Coco. Bye, love you. What's wrong with you idiots, huh? Why you gotta fight like that? I just doused him with water, bowl of water right in the face. Man. Bye.